Hi students, welcome to mathematics class. Page number 169. Page number 169. Question number 6. Write in ascending order. Write in ascending order. First of all, let us know what is ascending order. What is ascending order? Writing the numbers small to big. Writing the numbers small to big. It means if four numbers are given, first smallest number, next big number than first number, next big number than second number, next big number than third number. Writing numbers like this, it means first smallest, next bigger than first, next bigger than second, next bigger than third. This process is called ascending order. This process is called ascending order. Let us see some examples here. 23, 15, 31, 12. Write in ascending order. What are given numbers? 2, 3, 23, 1, 5, 15, 3, 1, 31. Next, 1 to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blanks are given. Now, what is the ascending order? Writing the numbers small to big. So first of all, 4 numbers are here. We need to select smallest number. Smallest number. Which is smallest number? 23, 15, 31, 12. Which is smallest number? This is the smallest number. First of all, how to find out smallest number? How to find? This is a number with 2 digits. 1 digit, another digit. This is a number with 2 digits. This is 1 digit, 2 digits. So, this is also 2 digit number. This total is called number. Every individual is called a digit. All are 2 digit numbers. First compare first number, first digit. First digit. Here 2, here 1, here 3, here 1. We need find out small number. This is big, this is big. First we need to compare this 2 numbers. Here is 1, here is 1. We cannot find out the difference. So next go to second digit. Here 5, here 2. Which is the smallest? This one. So first number 12. First number 12. Next second number 15. 1, 5, 15. 2 numbers over. So just cross them. Here 23, 31. First number, first digit 2. This number first digit 3. Which is the small? This is the small. So 23 comes next. 15 finish, 12 finish, 23 also finish. Then remains 31 only. So 31 here comes. This is the process how to write in ascending order. Next, let us have one more example. 89, 63, 44, 52. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Here also 4 numbers are given. We need to write in ascending order. 89, 89, 63, 63, 44, 44, 52, 52. From these 4 numbers, first we need to find out smallest number. Why? Ascending order means writing the numbers small to big. Small to big. So which is the smallest one? 44. 44 is the smallest number first. 52, 63, 89. Which is the next smallest number? 52. Then second number 52. Remaining 2 numbers here 63, 89. Which is the smallest? 63. So 63. Finally 89 comes. 89 comes here. So this is what the process to write ascending order, to write numbers in ascending order. Next, let us have one more example here. 39, 39, 39, 46, 46, 25, 25, 19, 19. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just look at the numbers given here. 39, 39, 46, 46, 25, 25, 19, 19. Ascending order, writing the numbers small to big. So which is the smallest number from these numbers? 19, 19 is the first number, first smallest number. 25, 39, 46. Which is the smallest number? 25. 25, 25. Next, this finished. 39 is here, 46 is here. Which is the smallest? 39. Third number 39. Finally 46. We write 46 here. Okay children. Question number 6. Writing the numbers in ascending order. Write in ascending order. Already we solved 3 problems here. In your textbook, page number 169, 169, 6 number question is there. In that question, 2 problems are given. Already I given some examples, right? If you understand well, just 6 question do yourself. It means take them as your homework. Page number 169, question number 6. 2 problems are given. They are your homework. Next, let us move to question number 7. Question number 7. Now, already we learnt about writing the numbers in ascending order. Yes. What is ascending order? Writing the numbers small to big. Writing the numbers small to big. Now let us discuss about descending order. Let us discuss about descending order. Page number 170. Page number 170. 170. What is the question? Write in descending order. Ascending order, writing the numbers small to big. Now descending order, it means exactly opposite of ascending order. It means first big to small. First big number, second big number, third big number, lastly small number. About descending order also, let us have some examples here. 36, 53, 98, 62. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is descending order. Writing the numbers big to small. So first we need to find out big number. 36 here, 53, 53 here, 98, 98, 62, 62. So which is the biggest number? 98. 98 is the first biggest number. Next 36, 53, 62. Which is the biggest number? 62. Second biggest number 62. Next 36 is here, 53 is here. Next biggest number 53. Yes, 53. Lastly 36 we write here. 36. Just observe the pattern, students. Big number, big to small, small, small. Yes, this is called descending order. Writing the numbers big to small. This number is smaller than this number. This number is smaller than this number. This number is smaller than this number. Big to small. How? Big, small, small. This is descending order. Next, let us have one more example here. 49, 23, 72 and 54. Same 1, 2. What are the numbers given here? 49, 49, 23, 23, 72, 72, 54, 54. Descending order. Writing the numbers big from small, big to small. Which is the biggest number? 49, 23, 72, 54. Which is the big one? 72. 72 here, comma. 49, 23, 54. Next, which is the biggest number? 54. 54. Next, 49 and 23 are here. Which one is big one? 49. 49, 49. Finally 23. 23 last. big to small, big, small, small, small. Clear? Next, let us have one more example for descending order. 26, 47, 35 and 88. 1, 2, 3 and 4. First, have a look at given numbers. 2, 6, 26, 4, 7, 47, 3, 5, 35, 8, 8, 88. First, descending order, writing the numbers big to small. So first we need to find out the biggest number. Which is the biggest? 26, 47, 35, 88. 88 is the biggest number. So first 88 comes here. Next 26, 47, 35. Which is the biggest number? 47. So in second place 47 comes. Next two numbers are here. 26, 35. Which is the biggest number? 35. 35, 35. So final 26 is remaining here. So 26. First big number, small, small, small. This is what the process to write descending order. Big number to small number. Writing the numbers big to small is called descending order. Descending order. Ascending order, writing the numbers small to big. Descending order, writing the numbers big to small. Okay. Page number 170, 7th question. In your textbook, there are two problems for you. Okay. Already about this topic, I have given some examples. 3 examples already I solved for you. In your textbook, there are 2 problems. Do yourself. All the examples also and the problems which are given in your textbook also write in your classwork, and at the same time do at your homework notebook also. Next, 6th question finished, 7th question finished. Let us move to 8th question. What is the 8th question? Just read yourself. What is the 8th question? Write the number names. Write the number names. What is the 8th question? Write the number names. Number names. What is the meaning of number name? Example, I am also having a name. You yourself, you also having a name. Like that, every number having its own name. Yes. Example, 1 is here. This is a number ONE 1. This is its name. It is number name. 2 is here. TWO 2. 2 is its name. TWO 2 is its name. Next 3 is here. THREE. These are called number names. FIVR 4, FIV 5, etc. Just according to 8th question, some numbers are given there. Page number 170. A 1 2 is given, 1 to 12. Next 58 is given, B 5 8 58. Just look at this. What is here? 12. What is its number name? T W E L V E, 12. There are boxes given in your textbook. There are blanks are given. So in blank write T W E L V E, 12. Next, what is here? 5 8 58. 50, F I F T Y, 50. E I G H T, 58. Okay children, I think it is very easy for you. There are 6 problems in your textbook. A, B, C, D, E and F. Already I solved 2 problems for you, A and B. C, D, comma E, F. These 4 problems do yourself. Okay, these are your homework. Then let us move to 9th problem. Writing number names. Finish. Next, one more topic is there. 9th question. Write the numerals. Write the numerals. What is the question? Write the numerals. This is the topic. In 8th question, numbers are given, numerals are given. We need to write number names. In this section, 9th problem, number names will be given. Number names will be given. We need to write numerals. Example, if given like this, T W O, 2, then we need to write 2. This is called numeral. This is called number name. Next, one more example I am giving. $35. THIRTY, 30. FIVE, 5. 35. So how to write 35? 3 5 35. One more example I am giving. Look at this. NINETY, 90. NINE, 9. This is number name. What is the question? Write numerals. So 99. 99. Yes, just finished. Next, 86. 86. EIGHTY, 80. SIX, 6. 86. 86. Page number 170. 170. 9th question. There are 6 problems given. A, B, C, D, E and F. Yes. What is the process? You know very well, right? Just question is given like this in words. Another way we can call words. Number names. Number names are given. We need to write numerals like this. So, ninth question, A, B, C, D, E, F. All the questions do yourself, children. Okay. At the same time, write them in your home, classwork notebook also. Next, let us move to 10th question. Let us move to 10th question. Page number 170, same 170. Fill in the boxes with skip counting. Fill in the boxes. How? With skip counting. What is the skip counting, children? Example, I am telling 1, 3, 5, 7. Just I am writing here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay, one more I am writing 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. This is called skip counting. How it is skip counting? 1 is here, 1 after, 2 not available. Next 3. 3 after, 4. But here no 4. 5 coming. 5 after, 6 should be there, but there is 7. It means 6 is not here. One number leaving and next number writing. One number 4 is leaving here, 5 writing. 5 after 6 leaving and 7 writing. 7 after 8 leaving and 9 writing. 9 after 10 leaving, 11 writing. This is called skip counting. Look at here also. 2 after 3 should come, but there is no 3. Here 4. We'll leaving 3. 4 after 5 should come, but we are writing 6. It means 5 we are not writing. 6 after 7, but we are leaving the 7 and writing 8. 8 after 9 leaving, 10 writing. 10 after 11 leaving, writing 12. This is called skip counting. Between the two numbers, one number we are leaving. It is skip counting. In your textbook, page number 170, 170, question number A, 3, 5, box is given, one more box, 11, and 15. Okay, just observe the numbers. 3 is here and 5 is here. So 4 is not there. So same we need to do like that. 5 after leave the 6, here 4 lived. So 5 after we should not write 6, 7. We need to write 7. 7 after 8 comes, but we need to leave one number, so 9 comes here. Yes, 9 after 10, but here 11. 11 after 12 should come, but leave one number. Why? It is skip counting. Yes, so 13 will come here. 13 comes here. 13 after 14 leaving and 15. So in your textbook, total 6 problems are given. A after B, C, D, E and F. Already you understand. I given 3 examples for you on the board. At the same time, one textbook problem also I solved in front of you. I hope you understand well. Then B, C, D, E, F problems, they are your homework, children. All these problems solve yourself and write in your text classwork notebook. At the same time, fill in your textbook also. Finally, write in your homeworks also, homework notebook also one time, children. Thank you.